Hi, this is a demonstration of Nevon B alert working of the system. So as you can see, this is a burglar and fire alerting system. So it is a cheap replacement for CCTV systems. So CCTV systems are quite costly and they require a DVR and camera setup. Affordable alternative for CCTV systems. So what Nevon B alert does is it alerts you instantly. You don't need an internet connection. It will call you on your mobile number that is registered into the system, and it will alert you as soon as it detects a theft. So you don't need an internet connection. It is a very low powered device and does not make any noise. It is undetectable. So now we'll see it's working. So for that, as you can see, it is a small system, and we have a SIM card slot here. So we just remove it and we simply insert a SIM card here. So this is a large size SIM card. If you have a small SIM card, what you can do is you can just use a connector, like even this was a small card. So as you can see, we have used this connector here to insert this micro mini card here into the SIM card. Insert it like this and lock it. Okay, and we have easy fixture so that you can just screw two screws on the wall and you can just mount it upright like this, or you can also mount it vertically just above the door from where theft can occur. So after we insert the SIM card, we can just connect the adapter here simply like this. So we will just power on the system using this button here on the left hand side, and you can hear a small beep on turning on. So the system has been powered on. So the first thing we need to do is to configure our contact numbers into the system so that whenever a theft or a fire occurs at the facility, it will call on those particular numbers and alert them. So after you get the system, you first have to configure your contact numbers into the system. So for that purpose, we will go into the setting mode or configuration mode here. So as you can see, we have entered the configuration mode and the green light is turned on and it has started beeping. So when you hear this type of beep, this sound means you have to give a call on the SIM card, this SIM card that you inserted here, from your first contact number. So let's do that. So now let's do one thing. Let's call on this particular number that we inserted. So as you can see, as we call on the particular number, it changes beep, and also it sent an SMS message confirming that this number has been configured here. And the beep has also changed. So let's now get out of the configuration mode, and the system will now go into monitoring mode after 1 minute. So we have provided a 1 minute delay because if you are leaving your office or house, after you turn on the system, it will probably take you 1 minute to leave the premises, or if we don't place that delay, the system may provide a false alarm by detecting yourself as you leave. So that's why we have the delay. So after 1 minute, it will start monitoring, and it will also give one single beep to inform that monitoring has started. So So as you can see, that was an indication that monitoring has started. So now let's do one thing. Let's turn the system direction on the other side, because as you can see, it has started monitoring and it has started giving calls on motion. So as we turn the system direction on another side where no one is sitting, so it won't detect any motion there. So as you can see, the system has been activated, and since there is no motion in front of it, it won't call. So now let's do one thing. Let's simulate some motion and let's see what happens. So as you can see, we had simulated a motion. Now let's see. So as you can see, it has called on a number. So in this way, it monitors the entire area front of it and alerts in case of a burglar or theft occurs. So this is how the system works. Thank you.